Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on My Neighbor Alice token. The price line of My Neighbor Alice has broken out a very significant resistance of a big falling wedge on the daily time frame. And in today's video, I want to show you the next targets for Alice token. So let's start the analysis, but before starting this video, I would request you, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. My last idea that I shared about the Alice token, that was on 31st of August, that I shared for my members at the Patreon, and I told them that the price line of My Neighbor Alice token has completed the final leg of a harmonic bullish reversal bat move on the 4-hourly time frame. Now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price line was getting reversed bullish after completion of this leg, and it has entered this sell zone that I defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish bat. Then on 7th of September, the Bitcoin moved down, and after hitting the this sell zone, the Alice token also moved down with the Bitcoin. It followed the move of the Bitcoin. Right now, during this move, the price action has also been moving between this resistance and support of this falling wedge pattern, and you can see that this is a very big falling wedge pattern, and the formation was started back here on 25th of August. And finally here, the price action has broken out the resistance of this falling wedge on 28th of September. Right now the price line is moving up, and our technical target as per this falling wedge can be the tail of this falling wedge, that is approximately at $23.7 or approximately $24. Now if we take a look at the 4-hourly time frame chart, then here the price line has formed this round shape, and if we will have more drop, then it can also form the cup and handle, and the handle will be from 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level from this low to this high. That is approximately from $13.10 and goes to approximately $12.30. However, at this time we can see that the price line has found this uptrend line support. That is also another formation of an up channel. This is the support of this channel, and we have the resistance of this channel here. And for any kind of for the formation of the cup and handle, we need to break down first of all this support. Right now the price line is testing this support, but if it will successfully test this support and it will be reverse bullish, then we can expect this move will be continued, and soon we will watch these sell targets as per this falling wedge. However, if the price line will complete this final leg, this handle of the cup as well, then after the formation of a cup and handle, if the price line after the formation breaks out this resistance line, this resistance of the cup and handle, then our next imminent target can be approximately here, that will be approximately at $21. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.